What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your phone's battery health. If you notice that your phone battery is draining so fast without no reason, then you need to check if your phone still have a good battery life. For that, I'm going to show you some secret code that you can use to check your battery health. Let's go with the video. Alright guys, I already made this video for Samsung Galaxy devices. I will leave the link down below. Now I'm gonna be using a Motorola phone and Xiaomi phone. For that, let me start with Motorola. Let me give you the secret code for Motorola first and then for Xiaomi. So first thing you're gonna do, let's go to the pad where you make phone calls right here, and you're gonna type this code in. It's gonna be *## 2486 #*#. Automatically you're gonna be able to see a weird menu on your phone screen. It's gonna be this one, battery info. Let's go ahead and click on that. Then you're gonna see different information about your phone battery. So the one we are looking for is gonna be this one, battery health. As you can see, my phone right now, the battery health is good, so that means I don't have to be worried about changing my phone battery for a long time. In your case, if you see your battery health, it says bad, that means you need to replace your phone battery. And if you see battery health replacement, that means you need to just go ahead and change your phone battery because it's not good at all. So that's how you see guys the battery health on Motorola phones. Now let's go ahead with Xiaomi phones. On your Xiaomi phone, let's go ahead and open the pad where you make phone calls and just put in this code. It's gonna be *#* 6485 #*#. Automatically you will see this menu pop up on your phone screen, and the one that you're looking for is, it's gonna be the battery life. It's gonna be this code MB06. So that means the battery health. Okay, in this case I have a really good battery life still on my phone. On your phone, if you see it's good, that means you don't have to be worried about to change your phone battery during at least 8 or 9 months, okay, or even more. But if you see right here it say bad, you have to change your phone battery immediately. And that's what you need to do. If you have any question, please let me know. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video. See you next time.